Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be starting a new unit that is unit number 6, and the name of the unit is map reading skills, right? Map reading skills are very important. Why they are important? When I'll be discussing things with you, I'll let you know that what is the purpose of this, right? Okay, so the very first thing under this unit, the very first topic that we will be discussing would be different views of the same object. Now, what does this mean? Let me explain this to you with the help of this duster. Okay, let's see, I'm holding this duster in this form in front of you. So how do it looks like? It's a different view. Now, what if I hold it in front of you like this? It is giving you a different view. What if I hold it like this? It is giving you a different view, right? Now, what actually means by different views are, right, like when we see the object from this side, what is the view? When we see it from this side, what is the view? When we see it from the bottom, what is the view? And what is the view when we see it from the top? So objects have different views when we see them from different angles, right? Similarly, look at this book. When you see it from this side, it has a different view. When you look at from here, it has a different view. When you look at from here, it has a different view, right? Now, but the object is same. This book is same. I have not changed the book, but it has different views, right? So, and these views, and this is related to map reading skills. I'll let you know in upcoming classes that how it is related to maps. Okay, now let me share the screen with you, and I'll show you a picture of the same cup. And it's okay, look, this is not a cup, sorry, it's a kettle. So it's a tea kettle. Look at this. Now this is its view, or this is its picture from one side. Now this is the same picture, sorry, of the picture of the same kettle but from this side. Then they have a picture taken which is from the top, and it looks like this from the top. Then this picture has been taken from one side, a bit top but one side, so it looks like this. Now the same object has been placed, but different pictures have been taken from different angles. So after taking these pictures from different angles, the object look different. In every picture it is looking a different thing, it is giving a different view. So these are different views of the same object, that when we take pictures of something from different angles, it gives us the different views. Okay, this is the topic of today's class. So now I'll be showing you different pictures and different other pictures as well. Before that, that different objects have different views when we look at them from above or side, like I have shown you the picture of this, right? And we will discuss further examples as well. So, and this is the difference between map and a picture as well. Let's say when somebody draw a map of something, a house or something, it is something else. Let's say I draw a map of a house which have two bedrooms and a dining area, a kitchen, and then a sitting area. Okay, so let me make that. These are two bedrooms. Over here we have a kitchen, then this is sitting area, a drawing room, a garage. Now this is a map. Okay, this is a little open area over here. Now these are bed. This is drawing room. This is a garage, so let's park a car over here. This is again sitting area, so let's put sofas over there. Then we have a dining area, and this is the kitchen. Okay, so in kitchen we have the shelves and etc. So now this is the map of a house that I have made. Now what would be the difference if I take picture of this house from above? This is a map, it looks like this. If I take the picture of this house from the above, in the picture these details would not be mentioned. Like I have drawn the beds in the bedrooms, I have drawn the in the dining area, I have made this dining table, in the drawing room I have made these sofa sets. So when you will take a picture of a house, it will just show you that how the building looks like. It will not show you the inner things in that, right? When you take a picture of something from the top, when you'll take a picture of that house, it will not give you these details. So a map has more details than a picture. Similarly, on the other side, if we talk about this map, you can see that this map does not contain anything if somebody is standing with beside the house, or if somebody is passing the road, or etc. No, right? But when you capture a picture, it basically captures whatever is happening at that moment. Let's say somebody was standing over here on the road, so the picture will also capture that person. The picture will also capture the car which is moving from the road, right? So this is the difference between the map and the picture. And this is how the objects have different views from different angles, right? Okay, now I want all of you to open your book. See, we will be discussing these two examples over here. This is the first picture in which you have this a small, yeah, a decoration, a toy car, a cat, and again a photograph or a book, right? Now this is the view, top view. Somebody has taken the picture from the top, so it looks like this. Now somebody has taken the picture from the side, so this plant is looking like this, the book is looking like this, the cat is basically standing. When we would have taken the picture from the above, we didn't come to know that this is the cat is standing, but now we can all easily see this, right? And then finally we have a car, and the car also looks like this from this side. Now these both are the same objects, but their views are different. So when we look at the things from different views, they look different to us. Let's discuss one more example. Look at this markup. It looks like this from this side. What if I show you like this? It has a different view, right? Again, a bit different. Now, if you look at like this, again different. So the same object, but it has different views. And this is the difference between the map and a picture, right? Like I have drawn one for you, that when we look at different things from above, and like I have told you that if you take a picture of a house from the top, it would be different from the map which actually this house had. Got it? Okay. Now what I want you is, all of you are very well familiar with your house, right? So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to first make a map of your house and then draw a picture of it. Let's say if I draw the picture of this house over here, so how will it be look like? Okay, on this is a house from the top. This would look like it. This is a roof, like so. And what if I? Okay, one more thing. Now there are different objects which have different views. Like I told you, let's say this house has a this rooftop does not have any room or anything. So when you will look from the above, this will look like just a rectangle which does not have anything. This is the top of the house. Now look at the side view. So from the side view, it will be like this because it's a single story, or let's consider it as a double story. Okay. So it will look like this. This is a double story house. One room over here, there is this window. One room over here, it has a window. Window over here, there is a small balcony and a window over here. We goes forward and there we have a car parking. So maybe a car is standing over here and we can see it, right? So the pictures are different from the maps. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to make first a picture. Okay, not from the top. If you can make a picture from one side, draw a picture of your house and then a map of it. Hurry up, this is your class activity. Let me know when you are done, okay? Yes, who is done? Show it to me, Elisa. Very good, excellent. Yes, Vase, are you done? Show it to me. Very good. Vase, you're supposed to draw the things in the map as well. Let's say I have drawn only beds in the bedroom. Not the complete sofa set, but like this in the map, right? So you're supposed to draw the similar. All of you are done? Okay, excellent. So that was all for today. We have learned about the different views of the same object. Do practice it at your home. Take somebody's mobile phone, your mother or your father. Take a picture, take something, an object. It can be a cup, it can be a glass, a kettle, anything, or any of your toy as well. And then take it picture from different angles, and then see that what is the difference. Okay, and share it with me in tomorrow's class. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.